Welcome to the INF 103, Week 3, Assignment 1 Overview. In this assignment, you're going to learn how to use Excel. Excel is a spreadsheet program, and it's very, very versatile in home and business. The assignment, to complete the assignment, you're going to have lots of steps in it, lots of using formulas and manipulating data in different ways. And it seems complicated at first. However, if you will actually go through each of the tutorials, it gives you step-by-step instructions on how to complete the assignment. Again, depending on the version you're using, if you're using 2007 or 2010, use these tutorials at top. If you're using 2003 or XP or older versions, use these at the bottom. Also, do not miss this link right here for the attached instructions. These instructions are crucial to the success of this assignment. Again, it's got your link for the 2007 version. It's going to show you how the grading is broken up. But more importantly, it's going to give you right here the step-by-step instructions. There's 21 items and a few sub-items that must be completed to finish this assignment. So please make sure you do each one of these before you move to the next. They're in a specific order. Also, when you're filling out your spreadsheet, it needs to look exactly like this. And I'll show you an example here just a second. Here we have the spreadsheet filled out with the information that's provided to you in the instructions. So you've got the employee names, and I want these names to be exactly like they are here. Don't create new names and new people. We have hourly rates. We have hours worked. All these numbers should be the same for your initial calculations. When you're looking at the instructions, beginning with instruction number 16A, is when you're going to create your first formula. The formula is asking you to multiply your hourly rate by your hours worked. To do that, we're going to enter the formula exactly like you see it on your instructions, which are equals B3 times C3, and then hit enter. And you see that it gave us a number of 224.40. That's the output, that's the value of these two numbers multiplied together. If we were to change this to 100 hours worked, you would see this automatically change. As soon as we go to the next cell, it'll automatically update to $660. So no matter what values we have here, this number is going to reflect accurately that value. A mistake a lot of students make is they'll just type in $224 and think that they got the thing right. Well, they don't. They don't have anything calculating that value. It's just a fixed value. This way, you have a working spreadsheet. It's 34. So 224.40. I also want to show you a quick shortcut. If you look up here in the toolbar area, the tool area where we have the calculation up here is B3 times C3, and the shortcut to get it to calculate all the way down the spreadsheet is if you go right down here to the bottom corner and put your cursor right over there till it gives you a small black cross mark there, and double click, and it will automatically carry that formula all the way down for you, so you don't have to type it in every time. So you see we start out with B3 times C3, we go to the next cell, it's B4 times C4, the next cell is B5 times C5, etc. You can do this across, you can do this down for your other formulas in the exercise. I'm not going to show you how to do all of them, but I just kind of want to give you some hints and some shortcuts. Also want you to look at this one right down here for the max gross salary. This is the formula that you're going to kind of have to figure out yourself. The instructions give you the start of it, but they don't give you the whole thing. Same for the minimum net pay. But if you'll look up here in the thing, what we're trying to do is get the highest value in this range of numbers right here. So depending on the hours worked and hourly rates in any given week, these numbers may change. One week, this guy may make the most money. The next week, this guy may make the most money. But we want to know whoever makes the most, we want that number to always show here. So to do that, the formula is equals max times, and we're going to put it in parentheses, D3, and then we're going to put a colon there to D7. What that does, that colon gives us the range of numbers. So anything between D3 and D7, including D3 and D7, it's going to tell me whatever the max number is and put it right here. The same is going to be true for your minimum, but the formula is going to be just a little bit different. You're going to look for a range for the smallest number in this column here. Again, I'll ask you to figure that one out. Once you've completed the assignment and all your formulas are working correctly and your chart is working correctly, save the file with your name on it and post it, upload it into the Dropbox for the Week 3 Assignment 1 section. Again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call. Thank you.